On May 23 each year, unless it falls on a Saturday or Sunday, Jamaicans celebrate Labor Day by volunteering their time and energy towards the beautification and enhancement of communities across the island. The three main objectives of Labor Day are enhancing the dignity of labor by improving the environment, inspiring the spirit of community development, and encouraging the principle of solidarity, Jamaicans working, building, and sharing together. The inception of Labor Day can be traced back to the celebration of Empire Day, a national holiday marking the birthday of the United Kingdom's Queen Victoria. In 1958, Empire Day, May 24, was renamed Commonwealth Day, in agreement with the new post-colonial relationship between Britain and the nations of the former empire. By then, Jamaica had already begun informally celebrating May 24 as Labor Day, in commemoration of the labor upheavals that took place between May 23 and June 6 of 1938. 1938 witnessed workers' struggles for better working conditions in Jamaica. It is from this movement that Jamaica's two major political parties emerged and the journey to independence began. The focus of Labor Day shifted from the tradition of gratitude to colonial masters to political independence and the importance of trade unions. Ever since 1939, Jamaica has paused on May 23 to recognize the value of work and the immense contribution of workers to the development of the country. In 1960, then Premier, the late Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley, presented a bill in Parliament to finally abolish Empire Day. On June 15th that year, a bill to amend the holiday public general law received unanimous support in the Legislative Council. May 23 was now to be known as National Labor Day. In 1972, the government of the day infused the national holiday with a new dimension, expressing to all Jamaicans the importance of labor to nation building through voluntary community work. It was the first time Jamaicans were asked to give up a part or all of their public holiday to work on a community project. The Palisadoes Road, now known as the Norman Manley Highway, was selected as the first site where the Prime Minister was seen clearing land and planting trees to beautify the area. A new mantra emerged, calling on Jamaicans to put work into Labor Day. It's a call for national unity that has held to this day.